Okay, so this here is the key to this Hyundai Santro, and let's open the bonnet. Okay, so the bonnet is decently heavy, and this is the 4-pot 1.1 liter G4HG engine. We'll talk about this engine later while driving. And this is the rear end of the car. Looks Chintamintu. Now let's open the trunk. There's the key. And this is the 235 liters of boot space. A plastic oil can. Now let's check the spare wheel. This is the spare wheel, jack, and this tire size happens to be 155/70 R13. Okay, pretty small. Nothing much to show you here at the back. Let's go at the front. All stickers. Okay, so this is the dashboard design of this car, and you see hard plastics everywhere around you. Different kind of switches for the window, power window. But I quite like the design of this audio system and air conditioning system integrated into one, and it looks good. It's unique. And this is the 5-speed manual gearbox. Okay, my phone mount, head mount, handbrake, 2 cup holders here, no cup holders for the co-driver, some space to keep maybe papers or something, tiny space here, headlight leveling control, headlight controls, indicator controls, wiper controls, and this is the instrument of this car: no tachometer, speedometer, fuel meter, and temperature meter. And the car has clocked nearly 52,000 kilometers now, but it's decent, as this car belongs to the year 2013. Yeah, hazard lights, and you see curvy and not curvy, actually circle bits all around. So time to get driving now. Into first gear, handbrake down, and revving the motor. Let's go. Okay, so when I put in the clutch, it felt different. I've driven many Santros, and every time I get into a different Santro, the clutch feels different. Now I don't know, maybe it's me because I'm a new driver. So time to read out the history now. And the first generation of the Santro was launched in India back in 1998, and it had rivals like Daewoo Matiz, Maruti Suzuki Wagoner, Maruti Suzuki 800, Zen Stilo, etc. Also, Santro was the first car that Hyundai launched in India, and it was a success. Finally, in the year 2003, the Santro got a facelift, which was this car, the Santro Zing, the mid-gen version. And the car was launched with a 1.1 liter 4-cylinder G4HG petrol engine that trips till 5,500 RPM, but unfortunately we do not have a tachometer here. Now this car was launched in India with an array of variants such as Zing GL, Zing 1.1 GLS Automatic Euro 3, Zing Santro XE, Santro Zing XK ERLX Euro 3, Zing XS, Zing AE GLS Audio, which is this car, Zing XL, Zing XP. So these were particularly 8 variants, and this car was offered with 7 different color options. Also, do you know about the fact that this car was locally produced at Hyundai's Sri Perumbudur plant in Tamil Nadu? So Hyundai finally decided to X off this Zing in the year 2014, and this particular car is one of the last Zing Santros to be ever produced. And don't know why, but Hyundai decided to relaunch it with a new face, with new variants, with more technologies in the year 2018. And that car had 4 variants, which were Air Executive, Magna Sports and Esta. Obviously the car had quite a lot of features, but it didn't live up to its expectations, so Hyundai decided to discontinue it in the year 2022. And with this we can conclude that the car was sold in India for 24 years. Now coming back to this car, well, this car comes courtesy of my father to me, and it's up for sale. It drives pretty well. It has a good suspension, nice gearbox, neat and clean interior. And for more details, you can DM me on my Instagram account. I'll share the link below in the description, and we'll meet in the next video with a really very interesting car.